Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable mouse acceleration on 3Dconnexion CadMouse Wireless Compact. To do it, go to the settings within 3Dconnexion Home, then go to Advanced Settings. Now find mouse motion and enable acceleration. Now if it shows you this, that Windows mouse speed settings are not at a recommended level, you can click on fix it if you want, but that will disable the acceleration. So I'll just enable it, I'll close it, then you can change the speed here if it's like better that way. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.